For the past 2 months, I didn't apply anything on my face. I didn't apply any skincare product. Life was lifing. So now I'm back. My skin is about going to be glowing and blinding my enemy's eyes. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the products I have that I'll be using on my face in this my new face care routine and reset. Mind you, they are all affordable and effective. So I'm going to be showing you all of them and why I picked them and why you should consider adding them to your skincare routine. Okay, the first product I added to my face care routine is the face fat hydrating gentle cleanser. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This is this cleanser over here. This cleanser is amazing. This cleanser is very, very gentle on the skin. If you know you have over exfoliated your skin, this cleanser will help to repair your skin barrier. This cleanser is very nice and I use it morning and night. It's so mild and it's very, very moisturizing on the skin. Everything mustn't be active. You just need to get something that is just mild and this will do the job. This is very mild and I love it. I love this cleanser. This cleanser is so good. Face Far, they did really an amazing work in this cleanser. This cleanser is very, very nice. So consider adding this cleanser to your routine. If you have a normal skin, if you have a dry skin, if you have an oily skin, like it's practically very gentle on any skin type. And one thing I love about this particular cleanser is that it contains hyaluronic acid, it contains ceramide, it contains oats. These ingredients are very, very gentle and hydrating. It's going to help to hydrate your skin and it's going to help to moisturize your skin. Don't say I did not give you an update though. The next product I added to my face care reset routine is the kojic acid zero pigment soap. I'll put up the picture on the screen. This is the soap over here. This soap is very, very good. It helps with hyperpigmentation. I decided to add it so I can use it to brighten my skin, but I don't use it every day. I just use it 3 times in a week. So this is a very good thing you should add to your skincare routine. Please don't use this soap every day. Don't use this soap every day. This soap is very, very drying. Use it 2 times or 3 times in a week and use it at night. Please use it at night. Don't use it daytime. Don't use it because you want to like brighten your skin. You don't be using it morning and night. No, use this only at night. But this particular soap is very, very nice. It's very, very effective. But please make sure you get the original one. I made a little video explaining the difference between the fake and the original. I'll link the video up here or down in the description box. Click it and watch so you will not end up wasting your money by buying a fake koji san soap. Okay, the next product I added to my face care routine is none other but the Good Molecule Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This is the baby over here. This is very, very nice. I wanted something that will just plump my skin, hydrate my skin. I just want something gentle and something very, very hydrating. That's why I went for this. It delivers deep hydration to plump the appearance of fine lines. I love this very, very much. If you just want something that will just hydrate your skin, you can get this Good Molecule Hyaluronic Acid Serum. As you can see, it leaves your face feeling dewy. This is one of the things I applied this night on my face because today is Wednesday and I don't usually do any active on my face on Wednesday. I made a detailed video explaining how I do my skincare routine. So click the video and watch. This is on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I just use mild product on my skin. I don't use any active. I don't exfoliate my skin on Wednesday. Wednesdays are mostly the days I just moisturize my skin. So this is what I currently applied on my face this night. As you can see, it's glowing, right? It's glowing. It's glowing. So if you're looking for a serum that you can use that will just moisturize your skin, plump your skin, glow your skin, then get this Good Molecule Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay, the next product added to my face care routine is none other but the Skin AQUA sunscreen. I'll put on the picture on the screen. This is it over here. This sunscreen is amazing. Like, it's so good. This sunscreen is very nice. It's lightweight. It helps to hydrate your skin, leaves your skin feeling glowy. It adds a lot of moisture on your skin. This is very good and it protects your skin. This is a broad spectrum sunscreen. So if you're looking for a sunscreen that will protect your skin at the same time hydrate and glow your skin, then you should go for this Skin AQUA sunscreen. I made a detailed video about differentiating between the fake Skin AQUA and the original Skin AQUA. I'll link the video up here or down in the description box. Click it and watch so you will not waste your money or damage your skin. So you should consider adding this to your skincare routine. Okay, so the next product I added to my face care routine is this Niles B Boost 1% kojic acid serum. I'll put all the picture on the screen. This is the serum over here. This serum is very nice. I love this serum so much because this serum is very good with hyperpigmentation. It targets hyperpigmentation, and one thing I love about it, it contains niacinamide, it contains triazemic acid, it contains pentanol, and it contains glutathione, and it also contains kojic acid. This serum is going to help to target hyperpigmentation, is going to help to brighten your skin. So that's why I got this serum. So this serum is something that I know that is a good buy. So if you're looking for a serum that will help to brighten and clear your hyperpigmentation on your skin, lay hands on this Niles kojic serum. This is a very good serum you can add to your skincare routine. You know why I got it, right? Because I wanted to like brighten my skin. Niles did a very good job in this serum. Make sure you grab it or add it to your skincare routine. Okay, the next product I replaced in this skincare routine, if you're an OG on this channel, you know this particular product. I love it so much. It's very nice. It's very calm. I don't really like using harsh things on my skin because I believe that your skincare routine should be something mild that will not destroy your skin barrier. So I got this simple rich replenishing moisturizer. I'll put all the picture on the screen. This is the moisturizer over here. I love this moisturizer so much. I think this should be the fourth bottle I've used from Simple. This moisturizer is one moisturizer that I know that I'll keep repurchasing because this moisturizer is very nice. I don't know why a lot of people don't talk much about this moisturizer. This moisturizer is good. It will not do much, but when it comes to moisturizing your skin, it will help to moisturize your skin. So if you have a normal skin, if you have a dry skin, please grab this moisturizer. This moisturizer is very good, and you will come back and thank me later. Okay, the next product I added to my face care routine is no other but the Dove bar soap. If you're doing skincare and Dove has not entered your skincare routine, you are not doing something right. Yes, I'm telling you, you're not doing something right because Dove brand, they are very good. They know their onion, like they know how to produce their product. I cannot have any routine without adding Dove to it, and you should do same too. This is the soap over here. As you can see, I've opened it after using it, and one thing I love is the scent. Dove. The scent of this soap is so nice. Like it's so calm, it's so relaxing, it's so good. You should think of adding a Dove bar soap in your skincare routine. You can use that and wash your skin without even scared of maybe stripping your skin of its moisture because it's very moisturizing, it's very hydrating, it's very soft, it's very good. I'll keep adding Dove, this their soap, in my skincare routine. I will always do that. Any of my clients that reach out to me, I'll be like, oh, I always include this in their routine because I know this is a very good thing you should add in your skincare routine. So if your routine does not include this Dove bar soap, what are you waiting for? Please go and buy it, and it's affordable. So this is one of the products I added, and I'm loving it. It's so moisturizing, it's so calm. Like anytime I use it, I mostly use it in the morning. Anytime I use it on my face in the morning like this, my face just feels so relaxing, and as I'm confident that okay, this product I'm using is good, and I'll just go ahead with my skincare, order of my skincare routine. So this is one good buy. Okay, most of these products I'll be using them in the morning. I'll be using some of them at night. Don't worry, I'm going to make a detailed video on how I'm using this skincare product. I'll make a detailed video for my morning and my nighttime routine, so watch out for that video. Probably when I've used the product for like maybe 2 weeks or 1 month, I will come and give you guys my feedback on the product and tell you guys, okay, this works, it doesn't work, but I'm sure all of them will work, because I personally took out time to pick this product specifically for myself. If you want a personalized skincare routine or a weekly or monthly follow-up, please book a one-on-one consultation with us. Stop gambling with your skin. Seriously, stop gambling with your skin. Have you tried everything on your skin? From cleansers, serum, and cream, but nothing seems to be working? Come closer, let me tell you why. It's not your skin, it's not the advice. It's because 80% of products sold in Nigeria are mostly fake, expired, or diluted. That's why we created the Ola's Reality Skincare Product Package Combo, which is a direct to customer service. We'll give you a full personalized skincare product recommendation that is tailored to your skin type, your skin concern, your budget, and your skin goal. And guess what? All the products are authentic, and it will be delivered to you, and you smile after getting it. We have the basic starter package, which is 75,000 naira, the intermediate plan, which is 160,000, the advanced plan, which is 260,000 to 300,000, and we have the premium plan, which is 360,000 to 600,000. Please stop gambling with your skin. Click on the link in our bio or down in the description box to order your personalized skincare box. With Ola's reality, real skin, real results. And if you have any skin issue you're battling with, please do well to comment down below. Feel free to download our 5 days clear skin starter plan. If you want to take your skin to the next level, grab our complete ultimate guide to a flawless skin. The first 20 people to get the ebook will get a free 1-day consultation with me. Then if you want to have a personalized skincare routine tailored to your needs and a weekly follow-up and a monthly follow-up, please click on the link to book a one-on-one consultation with us. Like this video, share this video, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me even ask you, which of these products are you considering adding to your skincare routine? Please drop it down in the comment section. Or which one are you currently using right now? Please drop it down and share your experience with us in the comments section. Do well to download our free ebook, which is the 5 days clear skin starter plan to start with your skin. It's totally free. But if you want to take your skin to the next level, you can click on the link and grab our ultimate skincare guide to a flawless skin. The first 20 people that will get the ebook will have a 1-day consultation with me. But if you want to have a personalized skincare routine and a weekly follow-up and a monthly follow-up to your skin transform, do well to click on the link and book a one-on-one consultation with us. So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can also watch this video which I shared on my new body care routine. You may want to know some of the products you may want to add to your skincare routine, so do well to click on this video next. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.